Hi students, good morning everyone. Now we are going to talk about Unit 3 fluids. First one, pressure. What is the pressure? Pressure is the magnitude of the normal force acting per unit area. Pressure equal to normal force divided by area. Formula P equal to F divided by A. Second, absolute pressure. What is the absolute pressure or true pressure? The absolute pressure or the true pressure is the sum of the gauge pressure and the atmospheric pressure. The absolute pressure equal to P gauge plus P gauge pressure of gauge plus pressure of atmospheric. Three properties of pressure in a fluid. The forces a fluid at rest exerts on the walls of its container and vice versa always act perpendicular to the walls. An external pressure exerted on a fluid is transmitted uniformly throughout the volume of the fluid. The pressure on a small surface in a fluid is the same regardless of the orientation of the surface. Buoyancy. When the object is placed in water or any other fluid, an upward force acts on it. This effect is called buoyancy. When the object is placed in water, or any other fluid, an upward force acts on it. This effect called buoyancy. Archimedes principle. The buoyant force on an object in a fluid is equal to the weight of the fluid the object displaces. The force of buoyant equal to velocity of Pg. Hydrometer. The hydrometer is a simple instrument based on Archimedes principle that is used to measure the density of a liquid. Fluid flow. First one, laminar flow is when every particle of fluid passing a perpendicular point flows the same path. Turbulent flow is when the flow of fluid produces irregular wires and needles occur. Note, the greater the speed of a fluid in stream flow, the lower the pressure. Equation of continuity. If the pipe size varies, the speed of the liquid also varies so as to keep or constant. Hence, A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. Application of Bernoulli's equation. First one, liquid at rest and Torisalis theorem. Third one, flow from orifice. First one, liquid at rest. When a liquid column is stationary, the pressure difference between two depths is P2 minus P1 equal to pi g H1 minus H2. Next one, Torisalis theorem. The Torisalis theorem states that the speed at which the liquid comes out is the same as the speed of a body falling from rest from the height h of Pv square minus Pgh. V equal to root of 2gh. Flow from orifice. The rate at which liquid flows through the opening is R equal to nu A equal to A root of 2gh. Next one, pressure and speed. In a horizontal pipe, the pressure is greatest when the velocity is least and vice versa. P1 plus of PV1 square minus equal to P2 plus of PV2 square. Viscosity. It's a very important 2-mark question. Viscosity. The viscosity of a fluid is a kind of internal friction that prevents neighboring layers of the fluid from sliding freely past one another. F equal to rho A nu divided by S. The surface tension. The surface tension of a liquid refers to the tendency of its surface to contract to the minimum possible area in any situation. Torisalis law. if the pipe is cylindrical with the length L and inside radius R and a fluid viscosity N is in laminar flow, throw it under the influence of a pressure difference del P, the rate or flow is R equal to pi R4 del P divided by 8 N L. Students, watch this video 2 or 3 times so that you can understand the concept well. Students, today's homeworks in science, base homework in science, 3 questions. Define buoyancy and define hydrometer, define fluid flow. Here I give 3 questions for you. So you have to think and answer these questions and write answer 3 times in your homework note, and also write test in your science test note and send it my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you, students. God bless you.